Welcome to our YouTube family on Money Academy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss an exciting video. Let's make this journey together. I love you.
In this video, I will show you how to get Canva Pro for free. First, go to Google and search Astad Marok. Search for this. You will find Canva Pro post method. Now copy this canva.com/brand/join. Next step, go to Twitter and paste on the search bar. Scroll and find the invitation link. Let's try this one. I will log in with my email. Congratulations, you have your Canva Pro account.
Introducing the ultimate game changer for digital entrepreneurs. More 1,000 digital products ideas to create and sell today. With this revolutionary tool, you'll have the power to create compelling your digital products, backed by a library of 1,000 carefully curated ideas. But that's not all. We've also included a cutting-edge ChatGPT prompt to assist you every step of the way, providing instant guidance and support. Unleash your creativity, captivate your audience, and skyrocket your sales with Find Your copy of 1,000 digital products ideas today. It's time to turn your digital product dreams into a thriving reality.